I would like to see the baby.
Надо много кушать, надо много спать, чтоб котом огромным и толстым стать.
People say don't spoil your dog, it'll give her separation anxiety. Well, actually, I'm the one with separation anxiety. I don't want to be left alone. I'm the one who needs therapy.
Goes out to my best friend, 'cause life without you would feel so wrong. You wait for me all day to
Meet Kiwi. He loves performing tricks for treats.
You meet Paw? Paw? Good boy. High five. Good boy. Keith. Kiwi, up. Kiwi, look. Roll. Good boy. Sit. Okay, here you go. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Okay, fair enough.
Dad thought he caught me. But little did he know I am a world champion at anchoring. If you think I'm going home soon, you have another thing coming.
Do you ever just look at your dog and think, how the hell are you this darn cute?
A little bit of Monica in my life, a little bit of Erica by my side, a little bit of Rita's all I need, a little bit of Tina's what I see, a little bit of Sandra in the sun, a little bit of Mary all night long, a little bit of Jessica.
Listen, am I the prettiest cat out there? Of course not. But do I have a good personality? No, I don't. But do I wake up every day and try to be the best cat I can be? Also no.
Got the rest of our lives. We got the rest of our lives.
If you are very, very lucky, you will have spent some of your life being owned by a cat.
This is love. So this is love. So this is what makes life divine. I'm all aglow, and now I know. The key to all heaven is mine. My heart has wings.
the positions you could choose to lay in. This is the one you've settled on? Okay.
I don't do too much talking these days. These days I seem to think a lot about the things that I forgot to do. And all the times I had the chance to. Why do I always feel like I'm in the twilight zone? I always feel like somebody's watching me.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, 'cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation. If you don't like your life, then you should go and change it. Hey, I'm on vacation.
There's 3 of you in there. Hi.
Everything sucks. Just kidding. Everything is great. No, really, I haven't thought about my.
Phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình. Tình 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 con tình.
Come with me and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look and you'll see into your imagination. We'll begin with a spin.
I love my kitty cat, yes I do. I love my kitty cat, oh I do. And all I want to do is to give her lots of love. Give her lots of love and a kiss and a hug.
내가 만든 쿠키 너를 위해 구웠지. But you know that it ain't for free. Yeah. 내가 만든 쿠키. Phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình. Tình 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 con tình con tình mình tình tan 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 tình.